Okay. Okay. Let's just I check my phone first. So let's get started. Uh, Thank you everyone for joining this conference. Thank you so much. And yep. Now I would like to present about my talks. The title is combining Flask and PyTorch to build a computer-aided diagnostic system. Well, my name is Ratilar Wahid, and I am from Surabaya, East Java, Indonesia right now. Yep, let's get started. First, I will let me introduce myself. First, I am is a final year informatics student at Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Jawa Timur, Surabaya. Now I am at 7th semester, and yep, I was volunteer at Surabaya.py. It is Surabaya City Python user group since 2018 and 2019. I am also educational staff at Data Science Indonesia, East Java region, and the purpose of this community is to share knowledge and awareness about data and its usage in Indonesia, especially especially East Java province through seminar, conference, and other technical workshop. And yep, I am also a tech speaker since third semester. I speak at Genome Asia Summit 2019 in Indonesia, and also I I speak too in Python conference in Indonesia last year, and other IT events such like seminar, workshop on our local community meetup. And yep, I am first touch Python in 2019 when I was, senior high school student, and now I am currently learning Golang for my second language. Okay. Uh, why? Okay, this is the question. Why I choose this topic? First, my team and I already pressed our research paper on the sixth International Conference on Science and Technology 2020, and our paper will be published on EAAA library. And yep, we do the technical part using PyTorch, and our paper title is lung and colon cancer detection with CNN on histopathological images. And yep, I presented this talk on last week. And yep, my bachelor thesis is also in bioinformatics. The title is Brain Tumor Image Classification with CNN ALM Machine Learning Hybrid Algorithm. And because this is thesis, I got it in plain NumPy, not PyTorch. But if I asked to code it in PyTorch, of course I can do it. Yep, and I want to share my experience and little knowledge to you guys. This is why I choose this topic. Outline. So outline in this talk. First, I will explain about what is computer-aided diagnostic system, and then my idea from this project, PyTorch and Flash 101. I will tell you a little bit about PyTorch and Flash, and then the tech stack. What is what is the tools that that I used for building this project. So I will explain next. I will explain about reading process and the datasets that I used in this talk, and then we can do some live demo about my project, and then final thoughts about uh, this journey of combining PyTorch and Flash and make the project too. Okay, first, what is computer-aided diagnostic system? It is, system that assists the doctors or medical worker in the interpretation of medical images. It is an interdisciplinary technology combining elements of artificial intelligence and computer vision with radiological and pathology image processing. And then it is also has potential future application in digital pathology with the advent of whole site imaging and machine learning or deep learning as well. Yep, and my idea is, why we not make an integrated computer aided diagnosis or classification system for the hospitals based on images like, MRE, like magnetic uh, resonancing images, and OCT, X-ray, etc., using the machine or deep learning method. And yep, it has to be accessed anytime and anywhere. And yeah, my purpose is to show that building a computer-aided diagnosis system, it can be done with almost Python stuff based on my prototype. Why almost Python? Because this is web application, and the front end is using JavaScript, of course, not Python. Yep, PyTorch 101. So, PyTorch is an open source machine learning or deep learning framework. It is developed by Facebook and the communities. This is stable for research and production purpose. And like a previous slide before that, I you know I use PyTorch for research purpose, like uh, doing like make some research academic paper. And yep, it is available for C++ and Java language. In C++, we can convert the PyTorch model to Torch script, and then Java language for uh, mobile development. Like on production purpose, we can know that Tesla is using PyTorch in their production environment. And yep, if you yep, this is a link to if you want to learning about PyTorch further. You can get a free copy of PyTorch ebook from the official website here. Just just click this link, and it will direct you on the official website. I learned PyTorch since 2019. Okay, it is Flash. Okay, Flash is part of Pilot's project. I think you guys know about it. I'm sorry. So Flash is micro framework for web development in Python. It is quite simpler than Django, easy and fun to learn. Yep, it is since it is still synchronous or blocking I/O by default, and then it is easy to combine with other Python libraries. And this is the reason why I'm using Flask for to combine with PyTorch, because it is easy to combine. I mean, for me, but we can also use a Django to combine with PyTorch. But I am I am more fun using this project. I am more fun to this project with Flash as well. Yep. And next, the tech stack. This is my tech stack. For front end, I using Bootstrap. Beside Flash and PyTorch for main main library. I am also using Firebase for save the image data and real-time database to storage data like email, password, and other explanation. It's like name and etc. And I use Flash Mail to email services. And then for the web server, I using Push Passenger WSGI. So by default, my web server is still synchronous, not yet asynchronous. Yep, this is a high level of PyTorch project. Ideally, yep, do more or less do like this, but in some part I'm not doing it like I'm not distributed training on multiple server or GPU because I just use one GPU. Yep. First we have the data source. The data source is like a set of data set, and then I multi-process it. I mean I pre-process it, and then I'm import the model from PyTorch, and we are training it on the GPU on my local GPU, and then if we have training it, so we can push it to the cloud or we can send to the production server like this. The data set I use data set. I use data set first. I use lung and colon tissues. This is for uh, lung and colon tissues cancer classification that I used for my previous research paper. This is available on GitHub, this link. And second, it is malaria. It is classifying blood smear where indicated malaria or not, and then Parkinson to classify what where the handwriting it indicated Parkinson or not. And then I'm using a brain tumor image too. And the last but not least, I am using retina OCT images. It is quite, like hard to understand if we look. See, yep. This dataset is available open source, and you can. This dataset is free. You can get the dataset on link that I provided below image. So the blood models. What is model that I used? I am using ShuffleNet version 2. So the debate model for all diseases is pre-trained ShuffleNet 2 with some dense layer addition, except brain tumor. If you want to know about ShuffleNet version 2, you can Google it or browsing. This paper title, it is ShuffleNet version 2 practical guidelines for aviation CNN architectural design. Question: Why I choose the ShuffleNet version 2? Because this model is lightweight, only 7 megabytes. Yep, and is when I training it, it is gained the good accuracy and faster than other pre-trained models like GoogleNet or ResNet, etc. And for the brain tumor, I am using a hybrid method CNN plus external learning machine. Why? Because my thesis is using this hybrid algorithm, and then I will deploy it, and then I have deploy it on my server. Okay, live demo. So this is a demo. You can go through neuratest.site. Yeah, if you click this link, you can go through this. I will show it my project. So this is neuratest website, deep learning for healthcare. Deep learning for healthcare. It is prototyped by me in order to improving Indonesia healthcare ecosystem. The tech stack you have known before, and contact me if you want to discuss it about me, and you can get access and login in there. In this, you can register as well, or this is actually there are some images like here, but it's okay. I am just login with my previous previous registered account. You can login. Sorry. Yep. Okay. Okay. This is the dashboard, And for the main part, it is in here, diagnose. We can diagnose the patient. This is the patient email. We can choose the disease. We can choose the brain tumor, colon tissue, lung tissue, malaria, Parkinson, or retina OCT. Okay, I will demonstrate it. This is my email. Right, on my head. It's my name. This is Malaysia. I mean, no, Indonesia. Indonesia. Birth date is gender male. What type is? I mean, size. 15 disease like this. Retina OCT. And so that uh, this is just other data, not 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 have impact to machine learning. And this email, after we do the diagnosis, the result is sent to the email patient. We can choose this disease, retina OCT. We choose file. This is on test data. We can choose DMA. For example, like this. Yep, langsung you can press diagnose button and it will process and give the result. We can wait it. We just wait for a second. Quite long. And previous and on previous part. Nah, okay. This is the patient. Yeah, this is any misclassification here. This is not indicated any disease. Actually, this is yeah, diabetic macular edema disease. Yep. This is for the wrong classification. We can choose again. We can do again. File like DMA, GNF maybe, like this. Yep. Also with my email, business name like Bagus. Yang, guys, bang. Oh, okay. Okay. We can diagnose again. It is GNV, right? GNV images, GNV class. This is the result. Show. Yep. This is that. This is our classify, and then this is the previous classify. It is the good. I mean, the correct result. This is indicated truth, but we can wait a little longer again. It's a little, it's a little take a minute. I mean, sorry, second. Yep, indicated GNV. I think this is the the correct classification. We just have an email inbox. Yep, this is so this is the way. This is the how PyTorch can combine with Flash in order to make computer-aided diagnosis system. Yep, this is the main feature in this project. We move to again. Sorry. Yep. Yep. Okay. A final thought. The usage of we end. The usage of the ONNX runtime will be a good choice for development rather than install Torch or Vision on production server. Seriously. And the I/O process can be made asynchronous for web server. And then using the relational database is preferred since we know that the Firebase is using NoSQL database. The prototype project that I have made it just combination of image processing, machine learning, and little bit of software engineering as well. Yep, I know there are many improvements that can be made on my prototype project. So any advice from you are welcome. This is from me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Okay.